Do you have a genuine affinity for animals? Have you got bucket loads of patience? Have you excellent communication skills? Do you enjoy outdoor work? If you have answered yes to these questions, then the occupation of animal trainer may be for you. Animal trainers teach animals to respond to various commands and to behave in certain ways. Most animal trainers work with horses or dogs, but some work with other animals, such as dolphins. Dogs are trained for security, performance, obedience, or to assist people with disabilities. Horses are trained for general riding, for use by the police and security forces, or for competing. A dog trainer uses a combination of clicker training, verbal cues, and hand signals to train dogs. Most training methods are based on operant conditioning, which involves a reward system for correct behavior. Depending on the purpose of training, dog trainers may train the dog themselves or run classes for dog owners and their dogs. When running classes, the trainer works with the owners to train their dogs. A good trainer can work well with both people and dogs. During class, trainers need to convey clear instructions to the owners as how to get the dog to respond. Trainers give the owners homework exercises so they can continue to train their dogs between classes. Trainers must have a good deal of patience both with the owners and their dogs, as it takes time for the dog to learn the desired behavior. Dog trainers may specialize in puppy training, obedience, agility, aggression management, therapy or service dog training, show dog handling, as well as a number of other areas. Horse trainers train horses for different reasons. Those working with young horses familiarize them with the human voice and contact. They teach them to accept a rider on their back and to respond to riding aids. Other trainers work with competition horses. They ensure that the horses they train are at peak performance for a race or show. Depending on the situation, the trainer may work with the horse's rider as well. Some trainers have their own stables where the horses are kept for the duration of the training period. Others travel between different properties to carry out the training. Some horse trainers are employed as private trainers by people who own a number of horses and have their own private facilities. Horse trainers specialize in specific areas such as dressage, show jumping, eventing, or driving. There are no formal qualifications for this occupation. A natural affinity for animals would, however, be required. Employers and organizations involved with the training of animals will set their own criteria. Employers may offer on-the-job training as well as specialized in-house courses. Most self-employed dog trainers have extensive experience. Often they have trained and qualified as dog handlers in the police or defense force before setting up their own training businesses. Horse trainers are usually self-employed. Most have ridden competitively and have made a name for themselves in their chosen discipline. Earnings for trainers will depend on their level of skill and experience, as well as the demand for their services.